I like you.
Is it
See?
a
Oh,
video?
look at that.
Is it a video?
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, I'm gonna blow it out.
Wait a moment.
Okay.
2,
Happy birthday to you.
Oh,
Happy birthday to you.
I think the wind's gonna blow it out for me.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
What? How about that?
Yeah, boom. We cannot eat.
Cannot eat. No more.
Yay! Yummy.
You know what I wish?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
To you.
I can just tell by the feel of it, it's gonna be tasty.
Yes, you
Yee.
can tell. You can tell.
Woo.
Look at that. What is that? What do you think is that?
I think there's like little chocolate morsels buried inside it.
What
This is just what I like. Chocolate on chocolate on chocolate. Nice.
Is it your favorite?
Nice, yes. Who doesn't like chocolate?
Not me. I love
Exactly.
chocolate. No one doesn't like chocolate. Except
So we only have 4 plates. What's happening?
We're gonna share.
Oh, okay. So you and I will share, honey? Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Bye.
Well, we can always cut more, right?
Yeah.
Look at that. Are you excited to taste it?
Yes.
Oh, I am also excited. I haven't tasted it.
All right. Our piece is bigger, honey.
Because you are the birthday man.
Oh my. Look at all this in here.
Guess what kind of chocolate that is? Guess what
Chocolate from chocolate to chocolate.
Yes.
Ooh, yummy. Messy, yan. Ooh, ha. Wow. Wow.
If you guessed it, tell me.
Saya. Thank you, Valerie.
Welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, honey, let's eat.
Yes.
Taste the chocolate.
Taste it, taste it. How is it, Amaris?
So yummy.
Mm.
Like this side.
Verdict. What's the verdict?
Not nice. I don't want to eat it. Very tasty. Nice, moist.
Look at reaction of Valerie.
I know you're just speechless.
I am. It's good.
Yay!
It's nice and moist and chocolatey. What's not? Thank you. That's very nice. I think the card is very, very nice. So thank you so much for the card. I appreciate it. And my favorite chocolate is actually dark chocolate, not milk chocolate. But all chocolate is good. So either way, it's good. And your artwork was very impressive. So thanks a lot. We miss you guys, and take care, okay? Bye-bye.